Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will learn about sequence. To start this, I would like to ask, what is the next term in this sequence? 2, 5, 8. And let's see. The next term is 11. So the question there is, what is the rule or pattern? So as you could observe, they're adding 3 from the previous term. So you add 2 plus 3, that would be 5. 5 plus 3, that would be 8. And 8 plus 3, that would be 11. Okay? Let's have another example. What is next to negative 3, 6, negative 12? The next term is 24. Let's have the question. What is the rule or pattern? It is multiplying negative 2 from the previous term. So let's see. Negative 3 times negative 2, that would be 6. 6 times negative 2, that would be negative 12. And negative 12 times negative 2, that would be 24. Let's have this example where there is a figure, and this is 1. So there's a number 1 here. There are 4 dots, and there is 4 and 9. So the question is, what is next? The next term is 16. Let's look at the pattern. So what is the rule or pattern? One pattern that you could look at it is the perfect square number pattern. So let's see. 1, 4, 9, and 16. So let's see it. So 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. And 4 squared is 16. There is another pattern as you can see in this figure. So what is the ruler? What is the ruler and other pattern that you can see? It is adding the odd numbers. So 1, 4, 9, 16. So first term is 1. Second term is 1 plus 3, that would be 4. Another would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. And the fourth term would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16. So the question is, what is a sequence? So it is a list of things, usually numbers, that are in order. So that's according to mathsfun.com. And then it is a function where the domain are natural numbers. So it's a function. So we call it by term. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So it's just like an order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is their domain or the x values, and the y values is the sequence. So there are types of sequence. Types of sequence. The first one is finite sequence and the infinite sequence. So let's have some examples. So for finite sequence, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where the rule is that it is the natural number, so it adds 1 from the previous term. So we have 5, 16, 27, and 38. So it's adding 11 on each term. We have 4, negative 20, 100, and negative 500. So it multiplied by negative 5. So as you can see, if they're finite, it ends on a certain number of terms. So this has 6 terms, this has 4 terms, and this has 4 terms. So each terms are, these are the terms. So the first term is 1, second term is 2, third term, and so on. Okay, now let's go to the infinite sequence. So infinite sequence, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. However, there is an ellipsis. It means that it is continuous. So the rule or the pattern is it adds 1 from the previous term. Another 1, 1/2, 1/4, and then there is an ellipsis. So it goes that it is divided or it is multiplied to 1/2. Divided by 2 or multiplied to 1/2. Those are the two rules. And the last example is 4, 4, 8, 12, and then continuous. So this is a special type of sequence known to be as Fibonacci sequence. So it adds up the first and the two previous terms. So previous term is 4, first two for two previous term rather. So 4 plus 4 that would be 8, 4 plus 8 that would be 12. So the next term would be, so I think you should know the answer. Okay? And that is the lesson about sequence. I hope you learned something with this video. Thank you very much.